I hear, man.
Funke! Apostle, we hear of this. Jesus is.
Are you normal? Are you like what I hate?
Continue. Will you keep quiet? Child, here is God. Oh.
No.